Hi guys, it's Warren here, and here is the recipe for an embarrassingly simple and truly delicious party food. Here is how to make my deviled eggs. And this recipe is enough to make 8 deviled eggs. Okay, firstly, take a saucepan and bring some water up to a gentle simmer on the stove. Then slowly lower in 4 eggs and leave to hard boil for about 8 to 9 minutes. And once your eggs are hard boiled, carefully remove them from the pan and slowly lower them into a bowl of cold water. And doing this will stop them cooking any further. Leave the eggs for about 10 minutes, then remove them, dry them off, and now it's time to start peeling. For each egg, simply carefully tap on a chopping board whilst rotating it to then peel off the shell. And once each of your eggs are peeled, carefully slice them lengthways in half. Now use a teaspoon to remove the yolks and they should come out fairly easily, then set the yolks aside in a bowl. Then to the egg yolks add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Also add a sprinkling of paprika or any other flavours you like. Curry powder is also a good shout. Then once all your ingredients are added, simply mash it up until it's nice and smooth, so it can easily be piped. Now simply add the yolk mixture to a piping bag, or if you don't have a piping bag, simply use a food storage bag with the corner chopped off. Then equally pipe the yolk filling into each of the egg halves. And once each of your 8 deviled eggs are filled, simply sprinkle over some more paprika and some freshly chopped parsley to garnish as well. So there you have it, that's how to make delicious deviled eggs both easily and at home. And if you loved the look of this dish, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for loads more recipes.